Hello, I'm Sonic. Introduction to Mathematics in Microsoft Excel. In terms of Ben Tennyson's lesson, we begin with Microsoft Excel. This application uses spreadsheet, including data entries in a cell, like a graph in X and Y axis. It is used to construct a table, for statistical purpose. You will be knowing how statistics had come to life in the operations research, having various activities like sales, schools and college results, surveys etc. But for now, we will start from the basics first. In this application, there are n number of cells in a row, known for the alphabetical sequence, and n number of cells in a column, known for the numbering sequence. This gives in terms of alphanumeric sequence. For each cell, you can adjust the size by row or a column, that you can write more text. The panel above the table includes clipboard, font, color, alignment, and more features can be accessed in the Home menu. In the Insert menu, you can add or remove cells, apply charts, making tables etc. can be used. You can find more features on menu like page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. Let us begin with the cell entries, for example. Type number 1 in the cell A1, and type number 2 in the cell A2. And what you can find is the sum on cell A3. Put equal sign then sum. Then write cell numbers in parentheses. A separator uses colon between two cell numbers A1 and A2. We get an output of 3, as a sum of 1 plus 2 on cell A3. You can similarly try with the difference, product, and quotient. Without the use of command, you can try using operators instead. You may have noticed how calculations are performed in Excel. I'm going to tell Ben about Excel. Ben?
Yes, Sonic?
Is Excel a software application?
Yeah, it's a part of Microsoft Office.
Can we do calculations on it?
What you just found is the solution by the basic operators. Like print command used in programming in C++, Java, MSW logo and more.
Well, the answer is what we get a value by adding or subtracting. It is found in the computer programming too.
Yep, Sonic. I can do this for print command purpose, that's true. Are you learning about other commands in Excel, Sonic?
Yes, I am on the next section now.
Great idea.
Thanks, Ben. So, this video is about mathematics in Microsoft Excel. Like, comment, and subscribe now.